So this is going to be my white epoxy gel coat, I guess you could say. Or whitish, eggshellish color here. It's the first time I've actually done this, so I don't know, they told me to do like no more than 2% to a quart of pigment. I don't know, I'm hoping I got that right. 2% of a quart is pretty damn small. So I don't know, let's see how that coats. I guess that's okay. See what a couple coats does. So this isn't really covering as well as I would like it to. The polyesters or even vinyl ester is a little better as far as coverage and thickness, but I'm trying to make do with what's here. They did, the company I bought it from did tell me to add some silica, which I did to thicken it up. Shit, I get paint on myself. So I don't know. I think what might happen is I'll have to put a third coat, maybe a fourth coat. This is all these drips and what have you. I kind of expected it just to cover up easily, but it's not because it's translucent. So we'll see. I'll have to put a couple coats. Other than that, I think it's going to cover well enough. It's the right color. Oh shit, look at this. They say that a professional isn't somebody who doesn't make mistakes, but somebody who knows how to fix them. Nice. Oh man, and that stuff's always pretty brutal on the lungs. Of course, my paint is kicking a little bit now, which might even be a benefit. Oh yeah, look at that. Try to save this one. Fine. I really don't feel like I want to get another roller. Well, this is my lucky roller. Look at this. From 1982. So, I don't know. In any case, I don't think I'm a fan of this epoxy pigment concoction. Let's see if it even dries. That'd be my main concern. I don't know. In any case, if you have made it this far, go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate it. You'll get notification for this project and other projects I got going on as they move forward. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.